Hey everyone, I'm Syed from InfoSecTube channel. Today we have another news from Microsoft that they discovered the Mariana-1, the first quantum process unit. As you know, we in the current world we have the CPU, but we don't have actually something that work with the quantum computing. But now we have the Majorana-1, the first chipset quantum for the quantum computing. Uh, as you know, the world of technology is changing faster than ever. So this news is very important because the Majorana-1 is not just another quantum chip. It's a radical shift in the quantum computing, powered by something once thought to be purely theoretical, Majorana particles. If you want, you can search the Mar Major Majorana particle. It discovered in the by Majorana fermion in 1937, but nowadays we have the actual one, not only theoretical. In this video, I try to cover what exactly is Microsoft Majorana-1 chip, and how does it work, and most importantly, how will impact on the cybersecurity. So, uh, as you know, the computer today are built on the bits, the tiny electronic switch that can be either 0 or 1. And every operation from sending a text to securing or online banking running on this fundamental principle. But the quantum computers work differently. They use a qubit, as you can see. So this is the classical bit, and this is the qubit. Uh, so uh, these qubits, which can exist in the superposition, meaning that they can be 1 or 0, 1 or 0 at the same time. So this allows them to process vast amount of the information simultaneously and solving the problems in the minute that would take classical computer million of years. So there is just one problem. Qubits are extremely fragile. Uh, so now the Majorana-1 is entering. Unlike traditional qubit, Majorana-1 use a topological qubit. This is the topological qubit. A new kind of quantum bit that is naturally more stable and resistant to errors. So these qubits are based on the Majorana particles, uh, exotic quantum state that don't behave like a normal matter. So what is the result? A quantum processor that could finally make scalable and practical quantum computing a into the reality. So let's look at this image. Uh, as you know, the reading quantum information has always been tricky. The qubits are delicate, and even the smallest disturbance like heat or electromagnetic waves, and can corrupt them. But Microsoft's approach is different. The qubit state is determined by counting the electrons. It can be either even state or odd. Instead of directly measuring the qubit, which could destroy it, they reflect the microwave of a quantum dot. Uh, the way these microwaves bounce back tell the researcher whether the qubit is an even or odd state. So why is this a big deal? Because the lower noise, this means that the more accurate reading, the more reliable quantum operation means that the fewer calculation error, and the less interference means scalable quantum computing. So this method allows the quantum information to be read with a high accuracy and paving the way for real-time computing, real-world quantum application. Let's go further and check this. To make the quantum computer practical, we need more than just one or two qubits. We need a thousand of stable interconnected qubits. So that's exactly what Microsoft is working on, is something like this. For the single qubit device, it's used to test the accuracy and the stability of the qubit. For two qubit device, where the qubits start interacting, enabling actual quantum computing. In the 4 to 2 tetron array, a small network of qubits that can detect and correct the error in the real time. And for the 2 to 1 a logical qubit array, a structured grid where error correction ensuring the long-term stability. So what does this mean? By staking the qubit in this advanced configuration, Microsoft is moving toward the scalable quantum computing, where the quantum power can be harnessed for real-world application without collapsing due to the instability. So with this, Microsoft can solve the instability of the quantum computing. So all of these have a double-edged sword. The quantum computing is a game changer for cybersecurity, but whether it will protect us or expose us depend on whether how to prepare. So, what is the danger? Today, internet security is based on the encryption, the complex mathematical problem that classical computer cannot solve in a reasonable time. But quantum computer, uh, they could break this encryption in a minute. It's fun, we don't have no more secure password, no more encryption bank transaction, no more private email. So if the quantum computers become powerful enough, everything we consider secure today could be decrypted instantly. So what is the solution? The same quantum technology that threatened encryption could also create a new next-gen security system. Microsoft is already working at the post-quantum cryptographic, which means that somehow the quantum computer cannot break it, but we cannot sure about this. So this is the race between the hackers and the engineer to secure to build secure systems like the previous decades. So the Microsoft Majorana-1 is a groundworking step uh, to the quantum future. with a more stable qubit, more accurate quantum measure, and scalable quantum error correction. So uh, the real question is, are we ready for quantum revolution? Uh, it's a very tricky question, no? So I think we should prepare ourselves to be prepared for the next generation of the computers. Also, the DARPA is investigate on this project with the Microsoft, and they are working to create a million quantum computer for the security defense. So, for more information about the how really the Majorana chips work, you can see this video exactly. I mean, this step, how to diagnose and remove the error, and for the topological gap to how creating an energy gap that enabled. You can see this step, and for more information, uh, you can read the blog of the Majorana-1 in the Microsoft website. Uh, Actually, it's very new technology. Uh, we should investigate more about this new area of research and how it can impact on the cybersecurity. So I think for now it's enough. I hope you are be safe, and please like and subscribe our channel to motivate us to bring a new information for you, and support us and share with your friends. And if you have any question or anything you may be interesting for you, please comment it on the my YouTube channel. And that's it. Have a good day.